Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Kardashian Adventures. And for today's video, sasakay na ulit kami ng ferry from Busan going to Osaka. Pero ngayon, iba na yung ferry ng Panstar kasi they already launched a new ferry just this April. Kaya ito yung masasakyan namin. It's called Miracle Cruise. Yung before namin nasakyan, it's called Panstar Dream. Ngayon, Panstar Miracle Cruise. So, may iba na siyang mga amenities and iba't iba na din yung mga rooms available dyan. And we're already ready to board. Ito na yung tickets namin and passport. So, doon yung boarding area. So, we'll let you know or we will explore this new ferry with you mamaya pag nakaboard na kami. Okay. So guys, ito yung aming room dito sa Panstar Miracle Cruise. This is room 614, which is an inside room. Actually, ito yung pinakamurang room dito sa Panstar Miracle. And it can house 4 persons. So ito siya. Electronic na yung ano niya, yung door lock niya. So we just have to input the code na nasa ticket namin para makapasok kami dito. So, touch nyo lang muna yon, tapos put your number. And it's open na. So, ito, pagpasok ninyo, ito yung makikita nyo. Medyo maliit lang siya compared sa dati naming room sa Panstar Dream. Kasi yung sa Panstar Dream, family room siya na diretso lang. Tatami floor siya. This one is a deck or bed deck yung meron dito. So, ito yung pagpasok mo. So, do you have like a table? Table. Pwede ka dito mag-work or mag-laptop. Tapos, nandito din yung mirror para pag mag-aayos ka ng sarili mo. And then, down here is the ref. Meron siyang mini fridge. Yan, meron na din 4 bottled water. And then, meron din tong private bathroom. Which is maganda kasi pwede kang mag-shower dito. Ayan. So, mayroon toilet. Tapos, may shower area. Provided na din yung towels. And also, mayroon na siyang toiletries. Mayroong shampoo, conditioner, and body wash na magagamit ninyo. So, dito sa table, meron din sila ditong socket. So, same ng socket sa Korea, yung bilog. And then, dun naman is the aircon control. Ito yung aircon control, tapos mga lights. Tapos meron din dito ang TV. Ayan. So, siguro mga Korean channels lang yung meron sa kanya kasi hindi siya smart TV. Wala siyang pindutan ng mga YouTube and Netflix. Yeah. Tapos dito sa drawer naman ay meron silang provided na hair dryer. So, ito naman yung room kung saan tayo matutulog. So, double deck siya. 4 na tao yung kasya. So, meron 2 double deck. Yung down and up beds. So, meron siyang mga curtain. Kasi kapag hindi kayo magkakasama or hindi kayo 4 na family, yung room na to is a shared room. So, pwedeng may ibang kasama kayo. Kunwari, 2 lang kayo na male, you'll have 2 more passenger na kasama dito sa room na to. Pero since isang family kami na good for 4 naman yung room, magkakasama na kami dito sa room na to. Tapos yung mga cabins na ganito, yung shared cabins is per gender siya. So kung female kayo, kunwari isang female, isang male kayo, definitely magkakahiwalay kayo ng room kapag yung mga shared cabin yung pipiliin nyo. Kami, magkakasama kami kasi we are all 4. So, pwede kami magkakasama sa isang room kasi wala kaming ka-share. Pero if it's sharing, gender-based siya. So, inside the bed, meron na silang provided na isang pillow. Ang lambot ng pillow, oh. Tapos, meron na ding blanket na kasama. Inside the bed din, meron ditong light. So, itong gray button, once na i-press nyo siya, it will turn on the light. Tapos, meron din ditong USB sockets na pwede mong pag-chargean ng phone mo. Dito naman, meron tayong phone. So, pwede kayong tumawag sa front desk, either 901 or 902. Pagka meron kayong mga request or may problem sa room, pwede nyong tawagan. Tapos, provided na din nila itong electric kettle para pwede kayong mag-warm ng coffee or magtimpla ng coffee. Meron din silang provided na cabinets dito. So, pwede kayong mag-hang ng inyong clothes dito, tapos mag-keep ng mga personal things. And then, meron din silang Miracle Cruise na house sleeper. So, pare-parehas yan. So, kasi pagka shared cabin, pwede kayo mag-store ng personal things nyo dyan. And then, dito sa taas is this is the life jackets naman. So guys, nandito naman kami ngayon sa 8th deck ng Miracle Cruise. And dito sa deck na to, it's like a viewing deck, makikita nyo yung labas. Pero there are a lot of mga upuan, mga lounges that you can sit on para pagka gusto mo makita yung outside habang bumabiyahe. Pwede kayo dito magtambay. Tapos there's also a pool and jacuzzi sa 7th deck. Kaya lang, hindi sila open ngayon kasi it's cold pa yung weather. Kasi outside siya, hindi siya indoor. So, hindi pa siya binubuksan dahil sa weather daw. Yan. And then, there's also snack bars doon sa 7th floor.
Where are you from? Oh, Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, we are many crew. Kain na tayo. Gusto is masarap. Masarap.
Tapos, free yung noodles doon. Ito, nakakuha kami ng free food. Inalok kami nung nagsaserve doon. Tawag niya kami, sabi niya, free food. Ito, free noodles siya. We're not sure if it's gonna be forever free kasi nga, Panstar Miracle Cruise is a new shift para dito sa Panstar. Baka promotional lang nila. But it's good thing na mayroong free food dito. So, update guys, nandito na ulit kami, back in our cabin. We explored the whole ferry. So, meron ditong casino. So, if you are interested to play games, pwede kayo mag-games sa casino. And then, you can also register your ticket. Ito kasi yung ticket na binigyan kami ng like an ID. Tapos, papasok mo dito yung ticket. You can register your ticket for Panstar Pay na maglalagay kayo ng credit card nyo. Tapos, you can already use it to pay for yung casino or yung kahit anong ipapurchase nyo inside the ferry. Pero yung booking namin, it already comes with dinner and then breakfast para sa lahat sa amin. So, technically, halos wala ka na din naman bibilin if you already have the dinner and the breakfast. Kasi tomorrow, 9 AM naman yung aming arrival sa port ng Osaka. Tapos guys, dun sa 5th floor, nandun yung registration or yung reception area. So if you have questions, pwede kayo dun magtanong. Tapos, most of the crew pa din dito sa Panstar Cruise are Filipino. So, nakakatuwa kasi you can ask questions using Tagalog lang. Hindi kayo kailangan mag-English or mag-Korean. You can ask questions. Mas madaling makipag-usap. And then, there's also a convenience store and duty-free dito sa 5th floor. Yung convenience store nga lang nila, unlike the Panstar Dream, mas konti yung choices dito. So, wala silang mga noodles, wala silang rice, which is we're expecting na meron. So, yun lang yung kulang dito. And, very limited pa yung convenience store na mga choices. So, on the same level sa 5th floor or 5th deck, meron din ditong fitness or yung gym. Pwede kayong mag-gym. Tapos, merong wellness or yung massage. Pero, by booking siya. So, pwede kayong magpa-book if you want to have a massage. Tapos, ang maganda doon, meron din silang sauna for men and women. So, doon sa Panstar Dream, meron din silang sauna or yung onsen. However, during that time, medyo luma na yung sa men. So, hindi masyado nag-enjoy yung mga asawa at anak ko. But this time, bago yung ship, bago din yung sauna. So, maganda pang mag-spend ng time in the sauna room. Maganda yung amenities. Meron ng mga hair dryer. Kompleto na siya pa yung amenities mo pagka nag-sauna ka. So, later, we'll try out yung sauna bago kami matulog. So, meron kami uling baon na chicken from our favorite chicken restaurant dun malapit sa Dino Hotel sa Busan Station. And we're expecting nga na may rice kasi di pa kami nagla-lunch. But apparently, wala kami nabili na rice. So, kinain na lang namin yung chicken earlier. Don't worry kasi mamaya may dinner naman kami. Medyo late naman na. 4 o'clock ang departure nitong Panstar Cruise. So, mga 6:30 or 6:40 before 7 o'clock daw magdi-dinner na ulit. So, hindi naman ganun katagal yung waiting. So, later, we'll update you kung ano yung mga dinner choices dito. As I mentioned, kasama na siya doon sa ticket namin. We didn't pay an extra for that. So, yun muna. Update ko kayo later. Hi guys, so it's already 6:30 and nag-announce na kasi sila na magdi-dinner na ng 6 p.m. So, punta na kami ngayon sa restaurant para makapag-dinner. So, dito yun sa 7th floor or 7th deck. Ayan, dito sa Masquerade Restaurant. So, ito yung itsura niya dito guys. So, yung madami nang kumakain kasi kanina pa kasi nag-announce ng dinner service. Tapos dito may performance ata dito. Yan. So, hanap tayo ng chair natin. Hello po. Ito yung mga dishes dito sa dinner buffet nila. I think that's beef, may chicken. Ayan. So, it's mixture na ng Korean and other dishes. Before kasi sa Panstar Dream, it's just Korean food. Ayan, meron ng mas madaming choices ngayon ng food dito. Over here are, ayan, mayroon ditong seats na may view. Kaso lang wala na atang upuan. And I can see na iba yung color ng kanilang idealist. Baka mas mahal dito yung may mga magagandang room yung nakaupo dyan. For the drinks, may mga juice, tapos may coffee and water. So guys, ito na yung nakuha naming food. Mas madaming choices ngayon kaysa doon sa Panstar Dream. Parang mas masarap din yung choices ngayon. So, kain na tayo! Try muna natin yung ribs nila. Sarap. Good morning, guys! So, this is our second day here at Panstar Miracle Cruise, and we're heading to have our breakfast. So, it's already 7:30 in the morning, and ready na din kami, nakaligo na kami, may nakapag-shower na and all. So, we're just going to have our breakfast sa 7th floor ngayon. Let's go! And so, it's the same location dun sa kahapon sa 7th floor. So, let's go up. So, we're now here at 7th floor dito sa Masquerade Restaurant. Dito ulit yung breakfast natin. Mga Pinoy yung mga dito, staff dito. Yan, let's go. Let's go na. Enter na tayo ng ating breakfast. Okay. Natin yung breakfast dito. So, ito yung mga breakfast selections nila. May salmon. And there. They also have pastries there. Mga cereals naman dito. So guys, ito nakakuha na kami ng food namin. Ito yung mga nakuha namin na food. So they also have fruits there. Hindi ko nakuhaan ng video, pero may mga fruits. So ito yung mga pastries nila. And then this is the food na kinuha ko. Ayan. So they also have coffee, tas may milk and sugar. Ayun yung sugar nila, cube, sugar cubes. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa outside deck sa 7th floor. Kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast. And we're already ready to disembark kasi few minutes na lang nadaong na kami sa Osaka Port. And ang lakas ng hangin dito sa deck. So, walang tao na nag-i-stay. Lagi kami pumupunta dito, wala kami nakikitang tao. And sobrang bilis nung ferry na to. Makikita niyo yung speed niya compared sa Panstar Dream before. Yung travel time ng Panstar Dream before is 19 hours. Ngayon, yung Panstar Miracle is just 15 hours. So, 4 hours yung na-cut down sa travel time niya. So, later, we will give you the full review of the Panstar Miracle Cruise. So guys, nandito na ulit kami sa room namin and we are already ready to disembark. And few minutes lang na mag-stop na to sa port ng Osaka. And ito, naka-ready na kami with our arrival card. So, when you're entering Japan, you have to make sure na nakapag-fill out na kayo ng arrival card nyo. Binibigay naman tong arrival cards once you check in dun pa lang sa Busan Port. So, make sure na na-fill outan nyo na during your stay here. And yung difference pala ng when you're arriving or when you're entering Japan via plane at saka via ship. So, pagka plane or pagka dadaan kayo sa airport, you have to fill out the Japan web and save the QR code kasi iscan nyo yun doon once you arrive sa airport. Pero kapag ka via port or via ship, ito, lang siya. Manual arrival card lang yung kailangan yung i-fill out and then isi-send nyo to sa, or ipapakita nyo to sa immigration once you enter. And of course, you have to make sure na meron kayong valid visa. So guys, ito na yung overall review namin during our stay dito sa Panstar Cruise, Miracle Cruise. So, sobrang bago nung ship na to, kaya nakakatuwa kasi there are a lot of amenities and there are a lot of improved services din during our stay kasi mako-compare namin dahil we just had our nakasakay na din kami sa luma nilang ship, which is the Pan-Star Dream. So, compared to the newer version ng kanilang ship, which is Pan-Star Miracle Cruise, mas maganda yung mga amenities kasi bago yung sauna at saka yung onsen nila. So, masarap magbabad dun sa onsen. They also have massage room na pwede kayong mag-relax. And then, in terms of the food quality, mas madami ng food choices, tsaka mas masasarap yung food compared to dun sa Pan-Star Dream. And of course, the service is still really high level. Most of the crews are Pinoys, kaya nakakatuwa kasi mas madaling makipag-communicate and mas madali naming masabi yung mga request. Minsan nakikipagkwentuhan pa kami. So, it's a good thing. And in terms of the room naman, I think mas prefer namin tong room na to kasi the room before, the family room that we had is a tatami floor. Naglalatag lang kami ng cushion para sa lihigaan. This time, we have our double decks. So, maganda siya. Although, mas maliit, mas cramped yung room. Pero, mas prefer kasi namin na may bed kapag ka natutulog. So, when it comes to, the pay or yung pricing ng pagsakay dito sa Pan-Star Miracle Cruise, ang total cost niya is 8,000 plus per head. So, around 32,000 yung binayadan namin for 4. That already includes our dinner, breakfast, tapos yung room, wala na kaming binayaran dito. Yun na yung lahat. And compared to Pan-Star Dream, we also paid about 32,000 pesos. Pero, wala pa dun yung food namin. Wala pang breakfast, wala pang dinner. We have to add additional fee for that. So, I think mas mura to. Plus the fact that I use my discount code, which is Klook Heckle, in booking this Pan-Star Miracle Cruise through Klook. So, naka-discount kami. So, about 31,000 na yung binayadan namin. So, if you also want to have discounted rates sa Klook, you can use my discount code, Klook Heckle, para magkaroon kayo ng 5% discount for new ones, yung mga bagong nag-sign up sa Klook. And for the old timers na sa Klook, you'll get 3% discount once you use my code. Again, that's Klook Heckle. Tapos by announcement guys, yung pag-disembark is depending on the color ng iyong neck ng ID lace. So, may colors kasi siya, may orange, may blue, and I think may isa pa. So, it depends kung anong klase ng room level yung inyong nabook. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this video and I hope you can also try riding sa Pan-Star Miracle Cruise soon from Busan to Osaka or Osaka to Busan. Yun yung kanyang travel. And if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us in our social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, Kurt Ashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till next time, bye-bye!